Hello everyone, most maintenance staff have met motors that won't start after power up. I'll share 6 common real faults and easy on-site fixes. First, missing start-stop signals. Check control wiring, PLC outputs, and the emergency stop. Test terminal voltage with a multimeter to confirm. Second, wrong local or remote mode. Read the VFED display. Switch the mode or troubleshoot remote signal circuits if abnormal. Third, zero frequency reference. Verify for 20 mA or O10V analog signals with a multimeter. Fourth, safety interlock engaged, 10% of all cases. Check safety doors, light curtains, and pressure switches until all safety conditions are cleared. Fifth, incorrect parameter settings. Check motor ratings, control mode, and max frequency. Reset factory settings and reconfigure. Last, VFED hardware breakdown. Inspect IRO modules and main control boards. Reach out to manufacturer tech support for repairs. All checks can be done right on site to speed up troubleshooting and get your production back running fast. InServo, in service.